Fresh shit.
What? Where's the fresh shit at? What?
Bird shit.
Oh. Go catch a fish or something.
Fish, dumbass. Huh? Catch a fish.
Yeah, Ben. Catch a fish.
Oh, yeah. Wait, who's that? Hey, boy, I thought we could go without our shirts. Look at my shirt. Ooh, let's go without shirts.
What? So you say you want to go shirtless now, Ben?
What?
Ben, you want to go shirtless now?
Hell yeah. Look at my shirt. Oh, shit. No. Why?
What, Ben?
Johnny, take your shirt off.
What, Ben?
Take your shirt off.
Why you want John to take his shirt off for? Damn, Ben.
Oh shit.
Ben, you're scaring all the freaking fish. The hell's wrong with you? What a nice view. Power plant. Tree. Oh, now we're back.
What did it do?
Hey, John. Tiny fish?
Get your ass
Ben.
away!
What, nigga?
Why y'all so fucking cold for?
Huh?
Why y'all so cold
He's
for?
acting like a dumbass.
Ben. Do something funny, man. Wait, do that again. Do that again.
Bend over for time.
I'm not even video camming, man. I'm just about to take some pics.
Let us take the video camera.
Ben, why are you so wild? No fish yet today. Day 6. No fish. I think we're gonna starve tonight. Crunk juice balls. Damn, I don't want to go down there. Too risky. I gotta stop this.